You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these words? Are they pronounced any differently? They have a different meaning, and yes, they are to be said just a tiny bit differently. It's hard to really hear it properly, but let's give it a go. So the top word is W-N-D-E-R, and is pronounced as wonder. Wonder. The bottom word is rather, sorry for that, W-A-N-D-E-R, and it's pronounced as wonder. Wonder. So you can see that phonetically those two sounds for the first syllable are slightly different. The top word is one, so you have an sound, one. That's W-L-N. For the bottom word, the sound is O, so a bit more profound in your throat. Wonder. So let's hear it again. Top word here is wonder. Wonder. The bottom word, wonder. Wonder. It's just a tiny difference. I hope you could hear it. Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful, and I will see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.